Hello everyone. In this class, we will be learning about stacked bar chart using Matplotlib. So let's dive into the Google Colab. Okay. So I'm inside the Google Colab. So first I will be importing a Matplotlib. So how can I import Matplotlib as pyplot? I have already imported that. In the last class, we have discussed about the bar chart and the bar H chart, right? So I'll just continue there only. So what I will do, just import matplotlib matplotlib.pyplot as plt, execute. Okay, then I will be defining some kind of data. So in this class we will be learning about stacked bar plot, right? So I'll just define category data like, okay, I have a category. I think, yeah, here I have a categorical data already which exists. I'll just call it again A, B, C, then D. Then value 1, I have some data like 10, 20, 30 and 40. And I'll call one more val 2. I'll just call val 1 and val 2. Here I will be plotting some other data. So when we have to use the stacked bar chart, one we have a categorical data and other column have a numerical data. So here I'll just call 15, 30, 45 and 60. I have defined this thing. So I want to plot this information one over the other. For that purpose, we will be using stacked bar chart. Okay. So let's mention this. How can I mention? So plt dot bar plot. Okay. Then I'll yeah, bar plot. Then I will be using just category in the x-axis, and in the y-axis I'll just put val1. Okay, I'll just provide a name for this. Label is equal to I'll just put it first data or plot 1. I'll just mention plot 1, this one. Okay, plot 1, and again I will be calling plt dot bar plot. Again I will be mention categorical data, then val 2 I will be mentioning. Again label is equal to, I'll just mention plot 2 here. Then I will be providing the legend. Okay, so legend is nothing but category 1 and category 2. It will be showing like that. Okay, so before that I will be provide the title. Plt dot title is equal to, not sorry, is not equal to, I'll just mention stacked bar chart, sorry. Then plt dot x label, I'll just provide the x label as well. So I'll just mention category, then plt dot y label, just I'll put values. Okay, then I'll just mention legend, plt dot legend. Okay, legend. Then I will be mention plt dot show. So legend will be differentiate the things. Okay, some error. Okay, here y label. So here I have mentioned BEL. LE I have mentioned, I have not supposed to call like that. I have to call like this. So here this one will be the smaller value, so that's why I'm unable to see the blue color. So I'll just swap the data. I'll just put 2 here, then I'll make 1 here. Now you can see. So we are plotting the 2 different data on the same bar. So this is what we will be saying the stacked bar chart. So in the A, so plot 1, blue color will be the plot 1, right? So plot 1 totally 15, and it is how much difference? So from 10, so 10 to 15, like 5 difference will be there in the category. In terms of category A, for plot 1 and plot 2, we have a 5 value difference. In the same way for this, like it will be coming 20 to 30, right? 10 value, it will be difference 10 value. So 20 30 will be having a 10 difference. In the same way for this, we have some difference. This is we have some difference. So this is how we can plot the stacked bar chart. So just provide two bar plots here, X label, Y label, what you have to provide, mention, and this is the name of the table, mention that. Then title, X-axis label, Y-axis label, show the legend. So if I just hide this, then this part will be disabled. See here, that gone. So if you want to see that information, I will be using the legend. So this is how we can plot the stacked bar chart. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.